What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So now I'm going to introduce you the Funded Next. I'm going to show you kung bakit ito yung pinaka best for you to choose prop firms and to take funded challenge. So I'm going to give a discount code later on to this video. So hopefully just tapusin nyo yung video para makita nyo sa dulo kung magkano yung magiging discount niyo for this funded challenge na to na iti-take ninyo. Okay, so let me introduce you the Funded Next. Okay, let me introduce you the Funded Next. So ito po ay based on Dubai or UAE. So flexible yung mga laws and regulation nila and reliability nila, napaka okay din. Then yung customer service nila 24/7 yan. So definitely hindi kayo mamumblema when it comes to if you have any concerns and all that. Okay? So ang best dito is meron silang best spread condition, which is 1 pip lang and 0 to less yung kanilang spread, and then close to none naman yung slippage nila. Okay, so now meron din silang low profit target lang. So again, may profit target sila na mababa lang, so definitely poproblemahin nyo na lang is kung magkano yung isosobra ninyo sa account. So in that case, yun yung pang profit sharing ninyo. Okay, so again, wala din tong time limit. Okay, and now nag-host na rin sila dito sa Pilipinas. I believe pumunta sila sa Pilipinas para mag-host and mag-event dito for meet and greet sa Pilipinas. So definitely soon baka makasama kayo doon. Hopefully makapunta kayo doon. Okay? Now let's go down here. Now, what makes Funded Next different? So, makikita ninyo, may 15% profit sharing sila dun sa mga funded challenge ninyo, sa mga phases ninyo. And again, wala din silang limit, no time limit. And ang the best, pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is that balance-based drawdown. Ito yung halos wala sa iba. Okay? Ito yung halos wala sa iba. So, ito yung pinaka the best. Okay? Kasi yung iba, di ba, nagkakaroon kayo ng drawdown ng 8%. Paano kung talo pa kayo? Diba? So ang hirap ng ipasa yon, 'di ba? Parang unbelievable na, no? So yun lang for me, ito ang pinaka the best balance based drawdown. So ako pag naghahanap ako ng prop firms, definitely dito ako naka-base sa balance based drawdown. Okay? So again, raw spreads and low commissions din to. So definitely di na kayo mamomblema each time na magpe-place kayo ng trade. Okay? So now puntahan naman natin yung mga challenges types, okay? So again, meron tayong challenge type 1, challenge type 2, and challenge type 3. So meron tayong evaluation, express, and challenges. So in this case ba, Sir Kim, kailangan namin mag-apply ng evaluation muna, then express, then stellar challenge? No, hindi siya katulad nung sa FTMO or sa mga ibang funded prop firms na kailangan ito yung i-avail mo, ipasa mo to, then bibigyan ka niya ng evaluation. Pag nabigyan ka niya ng evaluation, then doon ka lang magiging funded trader, and then doon ka lang makaka-receive ng pera, tama? Or doon ka lang makakapag-profit sharing. So dito po, ang kagandahan ng Funded Next, hindi mo na kailangan pa dumaan dito, and dito, pwede ka nang rumekta sa Stellar Challenge. So in that case guys, mababayaran na kayo. Basta ipasa mo lang, maging consistent ka sa ginagawa mo, you're good to go and you'll receive the profit sharing you really wanted. Okay? So ito yung pinaka-highlight nito, ito yung pinaka-gusto ko. So that is why I'm encouraging you guys the Stellar Challenge yung i-take ninyo. Wag na tong mga evaluation and express. So now let's go down para makita ninyo yung difference. So kung makikita ninyo kung mag-evaluation kayo, that will cost you around $49. Kapag nag-express naman kayo, it will cost you around $49, same exact thing. Para pag nag-stellar challenge kayo, right around here, check the trading platform, the swap, lagay nyo lang account, swap account, then dito kayo sa step 2, okay? Hindi sa step 1, step 2 kayo. So now once na na-click nyo yung step 2, then definitely makikita nyo dyan, pwede kayo mamili ng account size ninyo. It depends. Kung gusto niyo 6,000, 15, 25, 50, 100 to 200, it's up to you. Okay? So again, sa phase 1, meron lang kayong profit target na 8%, then 5%, then maximum daily loss 5%, maximum over loss 10%, drawdown type, makikita nyo dyan, balance base yan. Okay? So kung kailangan nyo pa ng dagdag information regarding sa mga nakalagay dito, you can click that one and then they're happy to explain it to you. Okay? So, no time limit din ito. Minimum trading days 5. Commissions 3% per lot. Okay? So, now, profit split up to 90%. Then, trading leverage 1:100. Okay? Trading news, pwede. Weekend holding, pwede din. Expert advisors, yes, pwede din. Pwede ba kayo mag-copy trade? Yes, pwede po. Reset discounted, or discount, pwede kayo makareceive ng 10%. Now, refundable fee, kapag itong reset discount guys, kapag hindi kayo nakapasa, then pwede nyo i-reset yung account niyo para di na kayo mamamahalan. Okay? So, ginagawa yan ng mga traders kapag first time sila, definitely, hindi kasi agad-agad napapasa. Okay? So, now, may 10% discount kayo once na gusto nyo mag-reset. Okay? So, hindi na kayo ulit bibili. Now, ang bayad dito or yung cost na itong 6,000 account will be $59. So, that's around 3,000 something here in the Philippine peso, no? So, kung tutuusin natin yan, almost $60 yan. So, 3,300, no? So, 3,300. So, now, click nyo to. So, now, once na meron kayo niyan, pilapan nyo lang to. So, pipilapan ko lang yung sa akin. So, once na napilapan nyo na to, then definitely pwede na kayong tumingin dito and i-double check ninyo kung $59 na kalagay, step 2 ba yung kinreate ninyo, and 6,000 ba talaga yung kinlik ninyo. Ang platform, kailangan nyo i-double check kung MT5 yan. Then ito yung server ninyo, growth next, and then account type, swap, then price is $59. So now, Sir Kim, what's the surprise? So, surprise is you have a discount. Okay, meron kayong discount. So, definitely, ilagay nyo, punta kayo sa description na itong video na to, ilagay nyo yung apply coupon code. So, definitely, pwede kayo makapag-discount dito. Ita-type nyo lang, i-copy-paste nyo yun nasa description ko, ilagay nyo dito, so you receive a discount code. Okay? So, I think that's pretty much it for today. And I'll be seeing your certificate soon. Thank you so much. Hope you're having a great day so far. And that's it. Bye-bye. Be safe.